How did an isolated African tribe know about a star system invisible to the naked eye, centuries before modern science? This is Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky. To the casual observer, it appears as a single point of shimmering brilliance. But hidden within its light lies a cosmic enigma, long before the invention of telescopes and the rise of modern astronomy. The Dogon people of Mali described not just Sirius A, the star we can see, but also a second star, unseen, unheard of, yet astonishingly real. They called it Potolo, meaning small star. According to Dogon's oral tradition, it's a tiny, incredibly heavy object orbiting Sirius A. We know this object today as Sirius B, a white dwarf star. Sirius B is a stellar corpse, what remains after a massive star collapses. Though it's only about the size of Earth, it weighs nearly as much as our Sun. It's one of the densest types of matter in the universe, and to the naked eye, it's invisible. Western astronomers didn't confirm Sirius B's existence until 1862. Its mass and density weren't fully understood until decades later, well into the 20th century, and yet the Dogon already knew. Let's rewind. The Dogon have lived for centuries deep in the arid cliffs of the Bandiagara Plateau in Mali. Their culture is rich in ritual, astronomy, cosmology, and myth. Many of their spiritual practices are based on the stars and celestial rhythms. Their calendars are lunar and stellar, their architecture aligns with solstices, and their ceremonies follow celestial events with stunning accuracy. The Dogon's knowledge of Sirius B raises questions. How did they acquire such precise astronomical information? Was it ancient cosmic knowledge or something more extraordinary? Join us as we delve deeper into the Dogon mystery, exploring the possibilities of ancient wisdom, extraterrestrial contact, and the profound connection between humanity and the cosmos. They believe that the universe began with Amma, the creator deity, and that from Amma came the Nommos, amphibious beings who traveled to Earth from the Sirius star system. According to Dogon elders, the Nommos came in a vessel that spun and descended with thunder. It glowed and sparkled, like a chariot of light cutting through the sky. They landed near water, bringing order to chaos and teaching the Dogon about stars, agriculture, weaving, metalworking, and the sacred geometry of the universe. The Dogon say the Nommos revealed that Sirius A had a companion, Sirius B, and that its orbit took 50 years to complete, a value now verified by modern astrophysics. They even describe Sirius B as composed of a metal heavier than anything on Earth. Today, we know that white dwarfs are made of degenerate matter, incredibly dense atomic material that defies our normal understanding of mass. So how could the Dogon have known? Some say it was a coincidence. Others argue it was the result of subtle European influence. In the 1930s and 40s, French anthropologist Marcel Griaule spent over a decade living with the Dogons, documenting their beliefs. Critics suggest that Griaule or other outsiders may have inadvertently introduced Western astronomy during colonial interactions, but defenders of the Dogon insist that this knowledge predates any contact. They point to artifacts, ceremonial dances, and oral texts passed down for centuries, unchanged and untainted. Some ancient societies were master sky watchers. The Babylonians tracked planets, the Mayans predicted eclipses, and the Polynesians navigated thousands of miles using stars alone. Is it possible that the Dogon saw the wobble of Sirius A caused by Sirius B's gravity without needing telescopes? Could centuries of watching the skies have revealed subtle clues? There's another layer. The Dogon also describes a third star, Sirius C, known as MER. It orbits even farther out and is said to have its own satellite. While Sirius C has not been definitively discovered, the scientific literature has hints that another companion may exist. The mystery of the Dogon and their cosmic knowledge continues to intrigue and baffle, leaving us to wonder about the true origins of their astronomical insights. It would lend even more weight to Dogon's extraordinary claim if proven true. But this mystery isn't just scientific, it's symbolic. For the Dogon, the stars are living things. They aren't just points of light. They're ancestors, messages, guides. The cosmos is a sacred text written not with words but with light and movement. Their mythology sees the Nommos as cosmic teachers, not aliens in the modern sci-fi sense, but divine intermediaries, similar to how other ancient cultures viewed sky beings, angels or gods descending to Earth. From the Hopi and the Zuni in North America, to the Sumerians and their gods from the heavens, to the aboriginal Dreamtime beings who crossed the Milky Way, humanity has always looked up and seen more than stars. Maybe the real mystery is not just how they knew, but why so many ancient peoples knew something about the stars that we're only now rediscovering. Science often seeks definitive answers, but mysteries like this blur the line between what we can measure as and what we may only feel. Could Dogon's cosmic wisdom be the residue of a forgotten scientific tradition? Could Sirius B symbolize something deeper, some universal truth encoded in myth? Could their stories hint at something far more extraordinary? Extraterrestrial contact, ancient advanced civilizations. Even today, their knowledge continues to baffle and inspire. Scholars debate. Astronomers scratch their heads. Filmmakers imagine star beings descending in whirlwinds of fire. So what do you think? Is the Dogon knowledge the result of brilliant ancient observation, myth wrapped in metaphor, or evidence of contact with something not of this earth? And if you're fascinated by ancient knowledge, spiritual symbolism and cultural mysteries worldwide, subscribe to EchoLore, because sometimes the past knows more than we think, and the stars, they're still speaking. Are we listening? The Dogon legacy is a testament to the enduring human quest for knowledge, a journey that transcends time and space.